y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing the November cloth and paper subscription box. So let's jump right in. So first up is the What's Inside card that I will be referencing throughout the video. For reference, I have the A5 box. Let's start with, so there's one big main item, of course, but we're gonna start with the planner size specific items. So in this box, you get two dashboards, and so you have the self-respect dashboard and then the mind dashboard, and these are the only two dashboards or items that come in the box that are specific to your planner size. After that, we have the main item of the box, which is something that I think everyone is excited for, and that is the 2022 spiral planner from Cloth and Paper. So this comes in, I think, every one of their November subscription boxes. It's something that they do put on the website. I don't believe it's on the website yet. I think this is the first sneak peek. So I will open this up and do a flip at the end. I just want to do a quick unboxing of everything in the box first before I go into details on the planner, but I will do that in the end, and then also share as usual what I'm going to destash, and then how I'll probably use the planner. After that, there are two items that actually come in the box designed for the spiral notebook. So you get the pocket folder, which is a new concept. We will put this in the planner again at the end of the video. But this is a transparent spiral punched folder so that you can keep all of your accessories and tools inside of your planner. There is also the planner stickers, which are the perfect companion for the new spiral planner according to the reference card. This sticker set features text, icons, and shape stickers in the beignet color, which is one of my favorite colors that they offer. And then there are 146 stickers. This is one sheet, and it is a 5.8 by 8.3 size sheet. So here is an up-close look of that, and this is actually really nice. I like how they're making accessories for the spiral planner, and that they snap in, similar to how other planner companies have snap-in accessories like Erin Condren, Plum Paper, etc. After that, there are the new semicircle sticky notes. This is the color Absinthe, which I think is hilarious. There is one transparent and one matte. There's 25 of each, and they're the same color. One is just matte and transparent, which is why they look different on camera. But we have these. I actually really like this color. I think it's perfect for, holiday season to have this color in this set. And then the last items in the box are the planner cards. So here are the cards. So we have a routine card set, so you have a morning routine and an evening routine. Here is the back of the morning, and then the back of the evening. You have the clairvoyance card, a future self quote card, and then your monthly January card. And then that is everything in the sub box. So I will be destashing everything but the spiral notebook and accessories out, and I'm gonna keep the sticky notes too because I love the sticky notes. As y'all know, I'm not a huge fan of the new styles or fonts, and so I really don't like the way that they redesigned the cards. Personally, that's just my personal opinion. I know a lot of people love the new redesign, but I don't know why, I just don't like this font. But yeah, I will be destashing all of this on the Cloth and Paper Facebook group. Yeah, let's open up the spiral planner and do a flip through. So one thing that I want to do this year is actually use this planner this year. I did not use last year's version. I was initially going to use it for school. School started too late, and then I tried out like a million different planners, as y'all know. And yeah, I don't know, I didn't use it. And I want to really use this one. I just don't know for what. So this is too little of a planner for me to use it for work. Like, I need much more space. I might use it for school again, but I love having my inserts in my agenda, and I think that's ultimately why I didn't use it. I don't know. I'm gonna find a way to use it. I just don't know for what yet. I might use it actually for memory keeping. I think that might be the best way to use this. But this has a clear adhesive on the front, and that way once you remove it, you get the clear cover. There should be one on the back too, it looks like. So here's what it looks like without that cover, and it is front and back. You get the 2022 vellum page, a quote page, your "This Belongs To," year to glance, and then you get holidays and observances, conversions, another quote page, which this is actually really cute to have like a little cover page. And then you go into your months. So you have your notes, monthly overview, monthly calendar, and then you have your vertical weeklies. So I think this is like the most popular / most used cloth and paper insert. And so you have Monday through Sunday, monthly calendar, a list for priorities, and just the month. And then you have that minimal design, which I really love. So you get the entire month in here, but we have that, and then you go into the next month, and then you have all the way until December. And then after December, you have a contact sheet, and it looks like you get a few pages of contacts. So 4 contact sheets, 2 front and back, and then you have a cardstock end, and then that is everything that the spiral planner comes with. So pretty similar to last year, just added some new design elements and new accessories. So let's open up these new accessories and add them in here. So I really like the vellum. Here's an up close look without the packaging. And then here's the pocket, which I actually really love the concept of having the pocket in here, especially if you are like me, and when it comes to like individual like planners, if you want to have the stickers that you're going to use in this planner, or like mail or sticky notes or anything, you can keep it in here. I don't know if I want to put it up front. Let's put it in the back for now, and I might change it. Yeah, so again, still haven't decided exactly what I'm going to use this for. So we're just going to snap these in really easily. I'll figure out what I'm going to use it for, but I think memory keeping will be good. I feel like I have a planner for everything, but I am still figuring out my planner lineup for 2022. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to put the pocket all the way in the back. That way I know I can easily flip to the back of the planner and get whatever I need. This is also, like the similar planner setup. Most planners have the stickers and like your pocket at the back. So just to make it a little more functional, but you do get the flexibility of moving it to wherever you want, which is really nice. There is adhesive on the back of here that we are going to remove. And there is what the back looks like without the adhesive, so very clear. And here is the planner. And yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.